Okay, let's do a few examples on coordinate grid, and the directions are telling us write the two coordinates of the points plotted on the coordinate grid. For points A and B, the helping lines are drawn in already. So, A, our x-axis would be 1. So our x-axis for A is 1, and 2 would be our y-axis for A. For B, our x-axis is 3. So the x-axis for B is 3, and the y-axis for B is 4. So B would be 3 and 4. Okay, let's go for C. C would be its line 2 would be its x-axis. So 2 would be its x-axis, and we bring the line all the way up to C. We got to C. Now we move to the left to hit the y-axis, and we hit y9. So our y-axis would be 9 for the letter C. Okay, let's go to D. It's lined up for 6 in the x-axis. 6. Now we go up to D, and it's lined up to 5 y-axis, so we bring the line to the left, so it hits the y-axis 5. So the x-axis of D would be 6, and the y-axis for D would be 5. For E, the x-axis for E would be 8. It lines up, so we go up. Our x-axis is 8. Let's put that for E. And our y-axis for E is 3. So our y-axis would be 3. Our x-axis is 8 for E, and our y-axis for E is 3. Okay, F. F would be his x-axis would be 8. So we line it up, and we go up. We hit F, and its y-axis would hit 8. So our x-axis for F would be 8, and its y-axis for F would be 8 as well. For G, the x-axis would be 10. So we go all the way up. And we go to the left to find the y-axis. So it hits the 9 y-axis, the G. So the G x-axis would be 10, and the G y-axis would be 9. For H, the x-axis would be 10, right here. So for H, the x-axis would be 10, and we move to the left, and we would hit the 1 y-axis for H. So our x-axis for H would be 10, and our y-axis for H is 1. So it would be 10, 1. So let's do a few exercise problems so we understand the concept. What are we doing here?